Alright, so next is tutorial for the wine glass. Alright, so we do tutorial for the wine glass. This is the diagram. All the details we can check over here. This is exercise for you to do revolve. So we just require to do half of it, and then later we just revolve to make it shape of a wine glass. Okay, just need to alert the distance or the thickness of here. Okay, will be 0.75. Okay, so let's start with the bottom part. Okay, let's start with the bottom part. Yet you can see the distance. Okay, we do the reference line first. Okay, even though it's been given in diameter, but you can calculate up the half of the thing. Okay, so let's start from the bottom. So from this point to this point, given up the value is 7.5. So half of half of 75, okay, is 37.5. Alright, so draw a line. Okay, click auto. 37.5. Okay, there. Then we have a line upward. Okay, which is the height of the wine glass is 200. 200. Yeah, 200. So from this point upward 200. Okay, there. Okay. The next step is we are ensuring that this 10 degrees, okay, they've been slanted a bit lah on this one, but it's okay, later we just trim the line. Okay, so next is this one. Okay, we have diameters of 9. Half of 9 is 7. 9 divided by 2 is 4.5. Alright, so we draw one more line from here to here. Okay, the thickness 4.5. Right, so then move upward, same as this one, 200. So we already know this is the thickness of the wine holder. Okay, let's resume. We have this one, this distance, and these two line. Okay, so next is that radius of 100. How to do this radius of 100? Okay, that one is easy. We just do a circle with the radius of 100. Okay, then next is we take the quadrant and we move it to the bottom. So selecting the quadrant, where there, you can see quadrant is a diamond shape like. Okay, click it and move it here. Okay, then click again, move. Please click this thing, click the quadrant or this one, and move it upward 4. As been shown in the pictures, the distance is here 4. Alright, so move upward for 4. Okay, and then done. Later we just trim that thing. So and then we have another reference on that part. Bottom part we have this 3.5, right? So it's good also we have this. We do have a reference line, move upward for 3.5, and then along the way like this. Okay, so angles of 10, that is the thing where we need to focus on later. Alright. Okay, we have this line. We can proceed with this R40. Okay, so there will be standard start and radius. Okay, so it's actually 10 degrees, but later we just do a reference line first. Okay, maybe you can successfully do it. Okay, so 180 minus 10 is 170. So try to make sure the angle is 170, right? And then click it. Okay. The best is we just do trim later, and instead we write down the distance of 3.5. So the distance 3.5, I believe we cannot click up to this line. So that's why it's just we do it further, then later we just trim. Okay, so maybe this is the trim part. Yeah, you can trim this one. Okay, trim this one and then trim this one. Right. So now we need to do the curve, the R40. Okay, for this R40, it did not mention which part that we need to select, but we can just do the R starting from here to here with the R40. So let's say up. The best one you can use is start and radius. So start and radius up. Okay, so it will go throughout the green color shape, maybe like 40. Okay, so it must be start from here. Okay, so from here to this. Okay, 40. Okay, try to check whether it is, but I not really much worry. If got, then later we just trim. Okay, if we can see, it's a bit necessary to move it upward. So let's say we do, they got intersect. Okay, this one. So we do the line as a reference. Our own reference, we delete up back the previous arc, and we redo again the arc at the same point. Okay, so that one to, oh sorry, from this one to this one, from this. Okay, we do again the arc from this point to this point. Okay, with the radius of 40. I believe they will for much really trim it. It's okay lah, later we just trim it, but we already have it. Okay, next we need to ensure, okay, we already done this R40. Next is this indicators of 80 to start the up for this R30. Right. Okay, so again, line, reference line. Okay, from here upward, do click auto upward for 80, and then do reference line. Okay, okay, now this is where we stop. Then we can start to proceed, do the top one. Alright, the top one we need to figure out where we have these two given diameters, 95 and 116. Okay, so we need to half of 95 first. 95 divided by 2, 47.5. Right, so here to here we do L. Okay, from here to here 47.5. Okay, but the indicators is the wine glass tip is right here. And then we have another one, which is this one. Okay, 116, which is the okay, the shape. Okay, for this one, right? So 116 divided by half, the measurement is 58. We drew a reference line from here to here, 58. Okay, and go straight the line. Okay, okay. So there. Then we can start to draw up. Okay, from here to here. Okay, this one. From here to here, then here. Okay, to the tip. Okay, so we can use up. Okay, so we resume back. So we need to draw up from here to here, then here to here. Okay, so we got R of the T's over here. Method that we can use. Okay, it already mentioned over here the R is 50. So from here to here. Alright, so there's a multiple of method whether you can use uh, what split center radius, or you can definitely use circle with the radius of 50 then move it there. So it's just a method, just the same. We still can, if we do this method of circle, later we need to make sure it is like this also can. Okay, and then we can start to draw the arc of the T. Okay, and then we have a line lah actually over here. This is a very straight line with the radius of the T. So, and okay, and should be a radius of the T over here. So maybe a circle. Maybe you can use outline for this one. 30. Okay, we try to clean first. But it's not seem to be good. You can check it from the top. So I think for the top one is quite okay, but we need to move this thing to, say you can see this one and this one need to be aligned. Okay, so selecting this circle, need to make sure this one is definitely touching. So we just draw a reference line for the motion. this one, that the thing we need to move. Can select the intersect, move to the other intersect. Okay. So there we have. Then we can delete this one first. Draw a line. It should be here, from here to here. Okay. Selecting the quadrant. As you can see up the picture, the radius is not too obvious. Oh yeah, we have this 95, so we can use it for the radius of the T. Okay, so from here 95. So from here, drop it to the bottom of the wine glass, 95. Then draw a line. Okay. Then we can draw the arc. So the arc is from here to here with the radius of 30. Okay, so delete this one. Then we can do, but it's not, still not too clean. The shape not very clean, but it's the best we can do. Let's see lah. Radius. Okay, from this point. Yeah. Need to be a clean shape lah. Let's see next when we got any other reference. This one is R300. Is it R300? This one. Radius 300. Wow. Really big. Oh, it's a big circle. Okay. C with the radius of 300. C with the radius of 300. Okay. Then it should be moved here. The quadrant. Selecting the object where the quadrant is. Where the quadrant. So it should be here. Should be okay. Then the arc of 30, this one from this point. do love to what agak-agak, so I just do also the same agak-agak. Then line to the quarter to the Alright, welcome back. I think the arc we just need to around here only 30, but the shape is big. I think we need to trim like very much. Agak-agak. Ah, maybe we can. Maybe we get it. As long as it doesn't have, it don't intersect with the line. I think it's better. So what we just need to do, this one from here to everything. Okay. Then we can trim all the lines that we need. Leave the line that we don't need. Okay, that one. This is definitely not the line that we need. Same goes for this one. This one also. This one. Yeah. Okay, I think that's all. So we have this one, join first. Okay, so since we already put it into one object, what we can do offset. Okay, this one, offset button. Specify offset distance. Okay, this one need to refer back to the diagram. This one, which is the offset is 0.75. 0.75 inward. Right. 0.75. Select object to offset this one. Okay, so we done our offset. This one. Okay, so the top one, this one we need to trim. This one is really careful, need to be trim it carefully. There. So we need to carefully trim this. Not the big one, but that. Okay. Who? So this one we don't need it. This one also we don't need. This one too. Okay. The top one is a bit tricky because the offset is really small. There. Need to focus where we have a different fillets on the diagram. Okay, see this R0.2. We got this is a straight, and this one it has R0.2. Okay, so L, so yes, we do it like this. Then the L, we do polar things. Then trim. There, this one. We use fillet R very small 0.2. So from this one to the one. Ah, we get it, but we need to delete. Alright. And all over we just trim. This one now. Okay, save this line because we're going to use it for the revolve reference. Right. Same goes for this one. We don't need this. This one also we don't need. Okay, delete. This one. Yeah, the bottom one we not yet trim. So this one don't require. This one also. This one too. We don't need this one. So we have a lot of line that we need to trim. Just trim it carefully. Is it we need this line? I'm not sure, but we'll just delete this and just draw one line. Then do over there. Okay, control all, join it all over. We delete it. So we just draw another line. From here to here, and then join the big one to this big piece. Make sure it's all like this. So once you already join it like this, things is you just revolve. Okay, click this thing, select the centers. It will be here to here, right? So then you just revolve it for to 360. Okay. Okay, then you can rotate the object. negative 90. Hmm. Rotate y-axis. Right. 3D rotate. So 3D rotate, we do it again and over again until we rotate it carefully. So this thing, select y-axis and then type negative 90. And we have the wine glass. Okay, so there we have it, wine glass. Okay, you can check the 3D wireframe, 2D wireframe, conceptual, the realistic part, or you can go for the shade with edges. Okay, there is 3D rotate and for you. Right, so good luck.